guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So I'm so excited. The FabFitFun Advent Calendar for 2022 just arrived. Do you want to know what's inside my boxes? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So this year's FabFitFun Advent Calendar just arrived, and I'm super excited because I have never got this one before. So this is my first time bringing their Advent Calendar to my channel. I actually forgot all about it. Rena from Boxes and Deals was telling me that they're gonna have their Advent Calendar, and I was like, FabFitFun has an Advent Calendar? I was totally blown away. I was like, I did not even know. She's like, yeah, I did it last year. And I'm like, oh, then I'm gonna go find your video and I'm gonna see what it is. So I go to find her video, I found it. I had already commented on it and I had already liked it. So I wrote her back and I was like, well, I guess I just have a very good memory because I actually did comment and I liked it last year. So I obviously did know, but then I completely forgot. And now, because there's so many companies that do them, it's hard to keep up with them all, and I don't even want to try. So this will be my first time ever bringing this one to my channel. I don't know if Rena was going to get it this year or not, but I'm so glad that, you know, she did kind of remind me. Make me remember in my head. So let's go ahead and start diving in. I do want to point out the fact that I really do love this color. Look at that teal. If you guys follow me, you know teal's my favorite color. So the packaging is already just extremely gorgeous. You don't save this packaging. It's like the cardboard cutouts. And when it was in transit, some doors are already kind of opened. I haven't really looked in. This one, it was open enough to, I did see what was inside of this one. I'm not gonna lie. I did see what was inside door number 2. And see, even number 3, everything's like just kind of like pushed in, I guess, from in transit. So let's go ahead and set this down and let's go ahead and go through. This is 12 days. So it's not a 24 or a 25 day. This is only a 12-day advent calendar. This is $89.99. And it says by purchasing it, you get it 70% off the retail value of $297.99 for the value. So now, you know, FabFitFun kind of does a little fidge, or they bump up their prices just a teeny tad. So I don't know if it's really going to be almost a $300 value, but let's see if we get at least a good enough value for the $89.99 that I paid for. So let's go ahead and start with number 1. Number 1 is right here. And again, it's just a little push out ones, which most of mine are already kind of pushed out for me. So let's see what is inside of here. Even the door itself, like, can you, inside, like, it's like way too much that this even pushed down when it's supposed to be up higher. There we go. Okay, so this is by Chick and Tonic, and it is a wine tumbler, 12 ounce. That's the packaging. Wine and coffee, I am all for. Ooh, and I see that this is like a blue color, like a teal. Is it an ombre? Oh, that is beautiful. So again, Chick and Tonic is the brand. It does have a nice lid on top. There is a hole. It doesn't have the where you can close the hole or open it. I kind of do like those lids a little bit better because then nothing gets in it. But it does have a lid. It's like that. And I love this ombre teal blue color. That is beautiful. So I like the color, even though I don't need, I need another wine glass, like I need another hole in the head. I don't need another one, but I will probably then switch it and like take one out of my cupboard that is a color that I really don't care for as much, so I can use the blue one. So let's go with door number 2 is down here. This is the one that I said I was able to see because, I mean, hello. The whole flap is open. So down inside of this one, let me remove this plastic on the outside. It says clear for takeoff right there. There's the brand name, and it is a 12-piece travel bottle set. So I do have like a little section where I keep all my travel essentials. So I'm going to put this in there. I think this is really neat though, because you do have these 2 bottles for like shampoo and conditioner. You have one that will fit for like hair gel, liquid soap, hairspray, mouthwash. You can put in moisturizers, toners, foundation, creams, nail polish removers. You can put in anything in these, and it even has like this little funnel to where if you're putting something in these that you need a little assistance so you don't spill, there is that funnel right here too. Let me see. This little funnel right here. So you have all of those different cases inside. Again, all those different sizes. And I really do like that. Plus, even if it's not just for travel, you never know when you just need to put something in a smaller size bottle or do anything, crafts, that kind of thing. So I like to just have these around because you never know when you might need something to put something in, or maybe a bottle breaks and you need to put it in something so you can still use it. So again, I really like having those. So now number 3, this is another one that's kind of opened. Oh, I didn't see inside this one though, but this one, it looks like we have, oh, so it's not just like one pair of socks, it's like a whole package. That's actually nice. And there's scrunchies too. See, and this would even be great like for me to re-gift for a Christmas gift idea, just because I personally don't really use these thick type socks, and I have already so many pairs sitting in my drawer that if I did want to one day, if it got cold enough where I felt comfortable enough to, I have them already. So what I'm going to do is gift these to either a friend, a family member, or I might just put it in that advent calendar that I'm going to do for one of you guys to win. But I think this is really, really cute because it's a sock and scrunchie set. So there's 3 pairs of socks. You have a plain color, you have like a cheetah print, and then, 2 cheetah prints, just 2 different colors, 2 scrunchies, and 3 pairs of socks. And this is by Summer and Rose. They feel super, super soft, and I really do like these color tones because that will go with anything. One thing that I really don't care for is when you get socks like these and they're like straight Christmas colors. They have like snowmen, or they have trees, or they're red and green, that kind of thing, where you can totally tell they're just straight winter socks, where these are like a good where you can wear any time of a sock. So I do appreciate the pattern and the color choice of them. So that was 3. Let's go with number 4. Okay, so I always laugh when somebody just wants to throw in one kind of pillowcase. And I just kind of find it kind of odd because they do not know what type of sleeping situation you have. If you have 1 pillow, if you have 2 pillows, if you have somebody else in your bed with you, if you have standard size, queen size, king size, that kind of thing. So I never, ever agree to a pillowcase being in any type of a box because I feel like that's more of like a personal thing. Like you need it for your own liking and what size pillows you have on your bed. So for this one, it is a standard 26 by 19. And my main thing is I have 2 pillows on my bed, one for me, one for my man. I like things to match. So I wouldn't just put one random satin pillowcase on mine and then our regular colored on his side because it's not going to look right in my mind. So I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway pile, or maybe I'll see if like my niece needs one for her bed because she has nice really curly hair that'll help protect her hair, but I know she only has probably 1 pillow on her bed. But again, I will give this to somebody, either my future giveaway pile or somebody that I know needs a satin pillowcase. Number 5 will be this little guy right here. Oh, wait, number 9 is coming out. Stay up there. I'm just trying to get you. Okay. Whew. Oh, that wasn't sure. Number 5, it's from Nude Stick Nudes Matte Luxe All Over Face Blush Color. Ooh, it says Rosy Posy. I guess that would be like the color. And oh, so on this side you have a brush. That is really neat. And ooh, it is so soft. So I guess this side will probably be like a cream blush, and you can use this to blend it in. I like that there's a built-in brush. That's really neat. And then there is the color. I don't do anything with blush, so I am going to gladly just set this in a future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. But I think that is a really pretty color. I think that's a really neat, unique container, and how it has the brush on the bottom. So that is super cute. And I'm sure that is definitely a full-size item. So now let's go with number 6 over here. Oh, where are you? I gotta reach in and find you. They fell. This is from Glossier. It says Super Pure. It is a serum, zinc serum, 30 ml. I do enjoy this brand. Everything that I have tried so far, I really have enjoyed. So this is neat to see in here. And it is, yeah, it's a nice serum. Nice size bottle. Nice and clear. And there you are. A zinc serum. It says apply over clean face and follow with a moisturizer for external use only. Yes, don't be putting them in anywhere else. So there is that item. I like that. I love me some skincare. So now number 7 will go up over here. Now we have is Big Bang Arthur Beauty, ATHR. I'm not quite sure. And it sounds like it's going to be a mascara. So, ooh, it's a nice like opalescent type of like a white pearl kind of color to the thing. Cause like I'm seeing like some pinks and purples. It's, I don't know, just kind of gives like a pearl type feel to the color of it. But it says Big Bang. And is this going to be in black maybe? I don't want to open it because I want to save it for one of you guys. The Ultimate Panoramic Lash Volumizing Mascara that curls, restores, and defines. I'm going to assume that it's black in color because that's normally what we get in boxes, but unfortunately it doesn't. I don't see anything quickly right now anyway that tells me a color. So I'm going to assume that it's black, but you have a mascara. Now we're going to go with number 8 is this one right here. And over here we have Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Mask. Ooh, okay, so is this like a sheet mask? And you leave it on for 30 minutes. So this is one mask in here. Let's see. I love me some masks, so I'm all for it, especially like I said, skincare. Oh, okay, good thing I did open it because I was going to say, is there only one in there? Negative, there are 3 different masks in here. So that's what the front looks like. And there's the back, and on a clean face, you just put the sheet mask on, leave it on for 30 minutes, take it off, just dabble in any essence that's still on, and you are good to go. I always tell you guys I love to keep some of these in the refrigerator. So whenever I feel like putting a mask on, I grab it from the refrigerator because it feels so nice and soothing when it's nice and cold. I'm not fancy. I don't even have a place, even if I wanted to be fancy for one of the little skincare fridges. I just put some in. I have a big enough fridge. I can use a little section in my drawer. I just put it in there. Now number 9. So this is by the Beauty Corp, and it's like a double-ended situation. It looks like you have a clear gloss over here, and then you have like a colored one on that side. That is really neat. It says, the one side that has a color, the color is LYCHEE. And then the other one just says clear. So that is super, super neat. So if you want a little color or you just want clear, you have them in both in one package. That's really, really neat. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. But I will probably put this in that giveaway for you guys because I don't really do much for my lips and I'd rather it go to somebody who would actually use it. But I think that's super neat. Now we're going to go with number 10. We are almost done. Ooh, this is actually a big size product. Good thing there was a seal because I'm like, wait, is it going to be leaking? Let me put this in here. This is Tangerine Glow. It is a Velvet Luxe vegan body and hand cream with virgin olive and avocado oil. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. That is a large size though. You see how big that is? It says the Tangerine Glow, so I don't know if it's going to have like a slight like tint to give you like a glow. Let's look. I normally don't care for them like that, so I'm hoping that it's just like a white. Let's see. And it is cool. So Tangerine Glow just must be the scent, and the glow part has nothing to do with the actual consistency or the formula. What was this supposed to be? Tangerine? Okay, now I'm getting it. Ever since I got sick in the beginning of the year, my sense of smell is so off. Like, sometimes I can smell things. Sometimes it's just really very vague. Sometimes it's strong. Sometimes I can't smell anything at all. And sometimes what I'm smelling is not really what I'm actually smelling. So now I can actually smell a nice, clean tangerine smell. And it does smell really, really nice. But I do like that as a really large size. I'm going to set that probably by my end table in the TV room. Because when I'm sitting there, I always like to have a nice hand cream. And that's a large size. So that'll last me a while. And that was 10. So we have 11 and then we have one more. So we have a large thing here. It is a Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. Is this a hair treatment? I'm going to be so excited. A bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. I'm so excited. I love any type of a hair mask. So I'm super, super excited about this guy. And it does have a nice clean scent to it. So I'm really, really excited. Yes, please. All right, so for the last and 12th day for this calendar, let's see. Hopefully it's a good door. Let's see. It's a sponge gel. cool. Oh my gosh, if you guys follow me, you know I absolutely love Spongel. And normally every season I always do add-ons and I always add on Spongel. This time I didn't because I still had some. This smells really good. This one is Peony Blush. So no rose, no lavender. Yes, please. Thank you. So this is what it looks like, and it's already infused with the body wash. If you haven't used these before, or maybe you tried to use it one time and it was like kind of hard and you're like, oh, I don't want to use that again. If that's the case, try to use it another time or two, or if you haven't used one, just know you need to use it a few days first. The first time or two is really, really hard. And the first time I tried one of these out, I was like, oh no, I don't want to use that. That was so rough and like, but I tried it a few days later. I tried to just, you know, break it up a little bit more with the water, and then it was perfectly fine. And then after, once the body wash is gone, because, you know, after you use it, it goes away, I just use my own body wash and still continue to use the sponge until the sponge is bad, and then I just replace it with a new one. But I do continue to use the sponge with just my normal, with my normal body wash on it. There's that. But I do love me some Spongel, so I'm super excited that that was in one of these doors. So there is all 12 doors for the 2022 FabFitFun Advent Calendar. All right, you guys. So comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this calendar? What do you think of the items inside? So again, this is $89.99 to purchase. I will have them linked down below if you would like to follow that to go check them out. It is supposed to have a $297.99 value, but me personally, me looking just at this pile, I can't look at this pile and say this is $300 worth of products. They might be at retail value, but to me, it just doesn't look like it. But I am at least seeing a value of what I'm going to be keeping and using for myself. Everything else I'm going to gladly just pass down to one of you guys, which is a win-win either way. But what I'm super excited about is the Spongel, obviously, the hair mask, this Large and in Charge hand lotion. There's this serum. What else was I excited about? We have these that I'm going to be using. We have this blue ombre wine tumbler. And yeah, so, oh, and the face masks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products I'm super excited about. And then what I'm gladly passing down is the socks and scrunchie set, the mascara, this double-ended situation, the blush, and the satin pillowcase. So definitely I see the value for what I am keeping. Plus I definitely wanted to show you guys, and I've never done a FabFitFun one, so I definitely wanted to show you. And then when I saw that this was teal, I'm like, ah, that's definitely a sign. It's pulling on my teal color heartstrings. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of FabFitFun? What do you think of the products that they put in here? Are you interested in this now? Do you want to get it? Do you want to ask for it for Christmas for yourself? Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.